yeah. You know it's all your fault. No, I don't want to stay, no. You're breaking down the door. Don't let me go, no. I just wanna hold you. I need no control, no. Would you let me love you? Me love you, it's all over. I lost my composure. I got love to show you. Would you let me love you? Me love you, baby. I got nothing to unwind.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me all braided down. I am going to go and get my hair done today, and I'm very excited because I am going to be installing a 28-inch unit. It's a curly unit. I haven't had curls in such a long time. I feel like even if you go into my Instagram, even if you go onto my YouTube, like I haven't done curls in a very long time, and especially the type that I'm going to be installing today. This hair is from Ossilee Hair, and I highly recommend this company because the hair is so beautiful. It is full. It is a true 28-inch. I opted for a 150% density. I'm not a thick hair girl. I don't like thick hair. I just think my face and just my vibe just suits a lower density. I think that it's also so low maintenance for me because I'm not the type that likes to be dealing with a lot of hair all the time. So the hair is very, very nicely packaged. It comes very nicely packaged. You get some nice goodies. I love a good goodie. And yeah, Ossilee Hair just did a very good job with the construction of the actual wig. The lace was pre-plucked. It was partly bleached. I will say that I wanted it bleached a little bit more, just because I like the very, very bleached look. I also opted for the lace to get plucked a little bit more, just because I just wanted it as neat as possible. I don't like baby hairs. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I never ever get baby hairs, and I think that's very, very good because I can come back and I can tell you guys how the lace really performed, because I've actually played around with the lace. I've actually had to maintain the lace, you know. I think with baby hairs, you're just hiding the lace, so you don't necessarily see what's going on. And also, I just like when my hair looks natural. I do. So that's what we're going to install today. I will have the details in the description box if you want to check out Ossilee Hair. Highly recommend on my side because they sell via AliExpress. I am always ranting and raving about how much I love AliExpress, and I buy hair personally from AliExpress. I buy my sew-ins, I buy my hair, you know, from AliExpress. I like AliExpress a lot more, so I recommend Ossilee Hair, and I will put their details on the screen, but I will also have clickable links to the hair that I'm gonna be installing myself right now. I'll have that link in my description box, but I'll also have that website. I'll have their actual page on AliExpress on my in my description box. So yeah, let me not chit chat for too long, because I do have to Uber to April. April will be doing my hair. She's my hairstylist. She is the only one I trust. This is somebody who does Bonang's hair, just saying. So I will always trust April, always. So yeah, I'm so excited to go and link with her and get my hair installed. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the install. Okay guys, so I have arrived. I am with April. I think this is the first time I've come to the studio in maybe 4 months now. But yeah, we are going to start off by doing the bald cap method. She has these new stockings that are almost transparent, like they're so thin. They're not the normal thick stocking cap, and I think this contributes to how good the final result looks. But I did use Got to Be on my install. She uses the spray on the actual wig cap, like to actually do the bald cap method, and it works really, really well. So if you install your own hair, I highly recommend the Got2b spray for the actual bald cap method. Whatever you decide to do afterwards, that's fine. If you decide to do like a bald hold or whatever, that's okay. But I mean, for the actual bald cap method, I really think a spray adhesive works the best. And then she cut off the excess lace or the excess stocking cap, and yeah, it basically looked really, really good. But then we did go in with it, just a little bit of makeup, not too much, and then she put the star of the show on my head, this beautiful, beautiful deep wave I think it's 13 by 6, yes, 13 by 6 is frontal. It looks beautiful, guys. She went in with just a little bit more bleach, as you can see, and she did pluck a little more. I wanted to come a little bit closer so I could show you the actual plucking job and everything that she did. It looked spectacular, but as you can see, the lace is a little too big for me, so we did have to cut it a little bit. Follow me on TikTok, by the way. I did post my install, so I would actually appreciate if you followed me on TikTok. I do post my installs, so yeah. So yeah, she cut off the excess lace. She's basically making an ear tab. That's what she's doing. And then we go in with the actual Got2b, like the gel. And this is my favorite. I love Got2b for an install. I just think it works so much better. I enjoy how it doesn't damage my lace, and I can remove the glue. It just works so good. And then she laid down the actual hair or the actual lace onto my actual head, right? So she is going to attend to that white cast that you see, and April has some new tricks, girl. So first of all, when we were done just making sure that the lace was nicely cut and there was no imperfections, we went in with the spray again. So that spray adhesive that we used for the ball cap method, we went in with it again, and then she wrapped an elastic band, but then she used a tinted mousse on my lace. This is obviously after she finishes defining the curls, and this is the final result. Girl, I'm obsessed. This hair is so beautiful, this deep wave. I did not realize how much I missed curls until I saw this hair, girl. It is beautiful. I will have all the details that you need in the description box because yeah, no, I love this hair. I showed you guys a clip of it when it's dry in the beginning of the video, and yeah, it holds a curl really well, so you don't need to define the hair too often. But yeah, I love it. If you love it too, I'll have the details in the description box, guys. Bye.